Hey fellow artists, ever wonder how to take your art channel from just starting to a thriving community of fans? Well, let me share some simple secrets to help your art channel grow fast. I started my art channel with just a few subscribers, but with the right strategies I went from 0 to thousands in just a few months. Want to know how? Keep watching. First things first, consistency is everything. Just like you can't finish a masterpiece in a day, building your channel takes time. Post regularly, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly. Keep your audience engaged by showing them your art process or even your behind-the-scenes moments. People love seeing the magic unfold. Second, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make sure to create a community vibe. A loyal audience will share your art and spread the word. Lastly, don't forget to collaborate with other artists. You'll reach new viewers who might fall in love with your style. But most importantly, stay true to your art. The more you are, the more your channel will stand out. Ready to grow your art channel? Start today and watch the magic happen. See you in the next video. You can watch this video. See you there. Bye-bye.